Hey everyone. Yeah, there are some things that are kind of touchy in concert photography, and a lot of concert photographers, a lot of videos you see won't discuss them with you. Um, this topic, but I'm going to right now. Oh, if you're wondering, Molly's sitting there going, "Hey, what's going on?" So anyway, um, there are people that I will not photograph, artists I will not deal with. There are events and functions that I will not photograph or do. And when it gets down to it, as a concert photographer, you have to decide for yourself whether you're going to want to do that yourself. I know a lot of people say, well, I'll photograph anybody, or if they pay me, money talks and all that. But when it gets down to it, there are just some people I don't want to be involved with. And I won't make it public who they are. I won't make a big deal out of it. I'll just, when it gets down to it, I will not approach them. They can come to town. They can do whatever they want to. They can set up their shows, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to approach them for taking photographs. Now, if the magazines I work for uh, want me to photograph these particular artists at these particular places, then we'll have to discuss what the situation is. But if it could be for any kind of reason, you could just like or dislike something you're getting involved with, and you just don't want to get involved with the drama. You don't want to put off a bad image. You don't want to get yourself known out there for saying, for especially for anything political. You first thing you do is you say, well, hey, I'm a Democrat. All right, well, great. If you're a Democrat, you just cut 50% of your viewership off because the other 50% are Republicans. The best thing to do is probably to say, hey, I'm not going to get involved in politics. You don't know if I'm Democrat, Republican, what I am. And it's a personal thing I really don't want you to know. So I tend to tell people, and I know a lot of concert photographers that will say, I don't want to get involved in that. And there are some events and things like that go on that go against the way a person could actually think or feel, and that's a personal issue. So this is something that concert photographers will not tell you up front. You won't see a lot of stuff on it online about who you can shoot, when you can shoot, if you absolutely have to shoot somebody, and it's something we needed to discuss. So you don't have to shoot anybody unless you want to shoot somebody, and keep your personal self and your personal information private and as need be. If you found anything you like in our videos, man, hey, we appreciate you. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, confusions, hey, man, we want to hear those too. Put them in the comments. But as always, thanks again, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.